Hello students, today we are going to study nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen is present 78% in the atmosphere, and the circulation and recycling of nitrogen gas into the form of different compounds through various biotic and abiotic processes is known as nitrogen cycle. This is the nitrogen cycle. From atmosphere, nitrogen is fixed with the help of these microbes in the form of nitrates and nitrites and ammonia. Then it is utilized by the plants and the animals. Again, with the help of its animals excreta, means waste product, this nitrogen is again released in the form of oxide. Decomposes the dead body of the plants and animals, and again nitrogen is released into the air. This way nitrogen cycle, but it contains some processes that we will study now. See, important processes in the nitrogen cycle. First one is nitrogen fixation, then ammonification, then nitrification and denitrification. Let us see one by one. Nitrogen fixation. Conversion of nitrogen into nitrate and nitrites through atmospheric and biological process. Nitrogen fixation means last year we had studied this biological and atmospheric nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen is very important and essential for the growth of organism. Plant need nitrogen for their growth. Animal also need nitrogen. The important nitrogen is the important component of protein and DNA, and we are getting proteins from the pulses. Nitrogen directly we are unable to use it. We means all organisms are unable to use nitrogen directly. For that it should be converted into its compounds. Conversion of atmospheric nitrogen into its compounds like nitrate, nitrites and ammonia is known as nitrogen fixation. And this is of two types. Biological fixation with the help of bacteria, azotobacter, which is present in the soil, and with the help of bacteria rhizobium, which is present on the leguminous plants root nodules. Nitrogen is fixed into the soil in the form of its compounds. This is the biological nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen is very important components or very important nutrient needed by the plant. So plant absorb these nitrates and nitrogen compounds from the soil for their growth. And we animals, means human beings as well as animals, they are getting the nitrogen from the means nitrogen in the form of proteins from the plants and the animals. Atmospheric fixation of nitrogen in this, when there is raining and lightning, the nitrogen which is present in the atmosphere react with oxygen to form nitrogen oxide, oxides of nitrogen, nitrogen monoxide, nitrogen oxide. And when there is a raining, this nitrogen oxide of nitrogen, they will react with the rainwater and form nitric acid, and that acid will come down with the help of rainwater on the soil, and that acid will react with the other components of the soil, and it is converted into nitrates, nitrites and ammonia, and that is mixed in the soil, which is available for the plants as a nutrients. Then next one is ammonification. Release of ammonia through the decomposition of dead bodies and excretory waste of the organism. Means in nitrogen fixation, nitrogen is made available for the plant and animals, and after the utilization of nitrogen, then waste material is thrown out through the body. It is in the form of ammonia, which is the waste material from our body. So it is again, by after utilization, it is thrown out in the body and mixed in the atmosphere. Then nitrification, conversion of ammonia into nitrate and then nitrates. Ammonia form is NH3 and NH4. It is converted into nitrate and nitrites. That is the nitrification process. And denitrification means conversion of nitrogen compounds into the gaseous nitrogen. Denitrification यानी वो नाइट्रेट्स एंड नाइट्राइड्स जो कंपाउंड्स होते हैं उसका अगेन नाइट्रोजन में कन्वर्जन होता है एंड इट इज सेड इनटू द एटमॉस्फेयर अगेन. दिस वे nitrogen is recycled in the nature continuously. It is utilized by the plants and animals, means it is present in the biotic components and it is present in the form of compounds, and nitrogen in the atmosphere means in the abiotic components, means continuously it is converted, it is transferred to this biotic and abiotic components. Nitrogen is very important for the plants for their growth and for the animals, because proteins are made up of nitrogen and DNA is made up of nitrogen. So all the animals consume nitrogen and then it is thrown out to the body in the form of ammonia.